Discover the amazing uses of castor oil. Welcome, folks. Castor oil, a multi-purpose vegetable oil derived from the seeds of the castor bean plant, has been quietly working miracles for centuries. From health to beauty, it's a hidden gem in our everyday lives. Have you ever wondered about the full scale of its benefits? There's more to this oil than meets the eye. So gear up, because we're about to reveal the top 10 uses of castor oil you wish you knew sooner. 1. Skin moisturizer. Castor oil is a fantastic skin moisturizer. Packed with fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, it hydrates the skin and locks in moisture. It penetrates deep, rejuvenating and nourishing from within. Apply a few drops on your fingertips and massage in a circular motion every night before bed. This natural alternative to chemical-laden moisturizers can leave your skin soft, supple, and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Hair growth stimulator. Did you know that castor oil can stimulate hair growth? Bursting with ricinoleic acid, it enhances blood circulation when applied to the scalp, improving nutrient delivery to hair follicles and encouraging faster growth. It also moisturizes and conditions, reducing breakage and making your hair look shinier and healthier. Warm a small amount, massage it into your scalp, let it sit for an hour and then wash it off. Regular use can lead to thicker, longer hair. 3. Wound healing. Castor oil has been used for centuries to promote healing and reduce inflammation. Ricinoleic acid's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and pain. When applied topically, castor oil enhances new tissue growth, speeding up healing and preventing dead skin cell buildup. Clean the affected area, apply a few drops of castor oil, cover it with a bandage, and let it work its magic. 4. Arthritis pain relief. Surprisingly, castor oil can be a powerful ally against arthritis pain. Its anti-inflammatory properties alleviate pain and inflammation associated with arthritis. Warm a bit of castor oil, gently massage it into the affected area, or soak a cloth in it. Place it on the painful area and cover with a heating pad for an even more potent effect. Its natural, non-invasive approach is worth considering in your pain management plan. 5. Digestion improvement. Castor oil acts as a stimulant laxative, increasing intestinal movement and promoting regular bowel movements. It also aids nutrient absorption. Consume a teaspoon of castor oil in the morning on an empty stomach, but start with a small amount to see how your body reacts. For a happy gut, consider adding castor oil to your diet. 6. Eyelash enhancer. This humble oil is a hidden gem for eyelash growth. Packed with ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, it stimulates blood circulation to hair follicles, promoting growth and making lashes appear fuller and thicker. Apply a small amount to your lashes using a clean mascara brush or cotton swab before bed. With consistent use, you should see results in 4 to 6 weeks. 7. Wart and skin tag removal. Castor oil can be a natural and effective solution for warts and skin tags. Ricinoleic acid's anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties make it effective against viruses causing these issues. Apply castor oil to a cotton ball, place it on the wart or skin tag, secure with a bandage, and leave it overnight. Repeat daily until the wart or skin tag dries up and falls off. 8. Fungal infection treatment. Castor oil's antifungal properties make it effective against stubborn fungal infections. Its components break down the cell walls of fungi, killing and preventing their spread. Apply castor oil to the affected area using a cotton ball, secure with a bandage, and repeat daily until the infection clears up. 9. Acne reduction. Castor oil's unique composition, rich in ricinoleic acid, makes it excellent for acne-prone skin. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties cleanse pores of dirt, excess sebum, and bacteria. Apply a small amount to the affected area, leave it on overnight, and rinse off in the morning. It also promotes skin healing, reducing the appearance of acne scars over time. 10. Constipation relief. This natural oil has been used for centuries as a gentle laxative. Ricinoleic acid stimulates the intestines, encouraging smoother bowel movements. Consume a teaspoon of castor oil, gradually increasing to 2 if necessary, on an empty stomach for best results. Stir it into warm water or juice to improve taste. Regular consumption can lead to improved digestive health. That wraps up our top 10 uses of castor oil. From moisturizing skin, stimulating hair growth, healing wounds, relieving arthritis pain, improving digestion, enhancing eyelashes, removing warts and skin tags, treating fungal infections, reducing acne, to relieving constipation, this versatile oil offers numerous benefits. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and watch our other videos. Until next time, stay healthy.